Operators may have a commission agreement with the site owners where their machines are placed. Nayax added the ability to define commission value on the machine product map level and generate a comprehensive report showing the amount owed to a location. On the dashboard of your Nayax Core Management Suite, click on the Reports tab, then Billing Reports, and then Commissions from the drop-down menu as highlighted. Type in your actor name or sub-actor and any other fields to obtain the desired reports. Select Data Source to select the correct data source that suits your machine as highlighted in red. Select Commission Source to filter the results displayed as per the commission source as highlighted in green. Select Time Interval to choose a time interval for the results to be displayed as highlighted. Press the View Report button as highlighted in red on the visual. You will view the sales report according to your search parameters. The commission value represents the commission rates compared to the total vending for the specific machine. Click the Export button to export the data into a PDF or Excel format for easy sharing and review. Thanks for watching.